Welcome back to another video of Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. In this video, we are going to cover put option payoff diagrams. In the previous video, you understood how exactly call option payoff diagrams looks like for a buyer as well as a seller. In this video, we are going to go deeper and understand for put buyers and put sellers. Hi, I am Pranav VK, your go-to guide for options trading, and you're watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. Today, we are going to explore the profit and loss as well as the break-evens for put option buying as well as selling. When you buy a put option, you're actually betting that the stock is going to fall. Whereas, when you sell a put, you're expecting the stock to be flat or you're expecting it to not fall below a certain point or rise. So let's try to visualize that on a payoff diagram using an example. So let's assume you're going to get into a put option contract on the buying side and the strike price is rupees 500 and you are going to pay a premium of, let's say, around 10 rupees. Now going back to the three important metrics, let's start with the maximum profit, then the loss as well as the break-even point. So the easiest metric to start with is break-even points. So for a put option buy, the break-even point is calculated by the strike price minus the premium. So in this case, it is 500 minus 10, that is 490. Now that we have the break-even point, let's also identify the maximum loss potential. So the maximum loss is to the extent of the premium paid, that is rupees 10. So let's mark the maximum loss as well as the break-even point and eventually the profits. Here in this case, the graph is going to be the exact opposite horizontally compared to a call option graph because we are expecting to make a profit when the stock actually falls. So let's have a look here. So we'll start with 500, 490, 510, 480 and so on and so forth. And on the profit and loss side, let's assume this is to be minus 10. And this to be plus 10. So here in our case, a maximum loss is rupees 10. So this is going to be our maximum loss and our break-even point is at 490, right? So this is going to be our maximum loss, that is minus 10. Break-even point is 490. The maximum profit is unlimited. So similarly, the profit is going to be unlimited to the extent of how much the stock is going to fall. But here is a small difference. For call option buying, the profit is theoretically unlimited. But when it comes to put option buying, since the stock can only fall to the extent of 0, the profit is not going to be unlimited but rather limited as well. Now that you know how the option payoff diagram looks like for put option buying, now let's go ahead and explore for a seller how it's going to look like. Let's take the same example of rupees 500 strike, and this time instead of paying rupees 10 premium, this time you're receiving a premium of rupees 10 because you are the seller. After which, let's identify the three important metrics, that is our max profit, our max loss as well as break-even point. Now the break-even point is the easiest metric for us to understand. So that is nothing but again our strike price minus premium, that is going to be the same as for buying 500 minus 10, that is going to be 490. So we already know that this specific point here is the break even for both buyer as well as seller. Now let's understand the maximum profit potential because that is the easier metric for a seller. The maximum profit potential for a seller is to the extent of the premium that is received, that is rupees 10. So here we have marked plus 10 here. So let's mark that. This is going to be our maximum profit. And since our break-even point is at 490, okay, it's going to look like this. And finally, our maximum loss is to the extent of how much the stock is going to fall. For call option, it was unlimited, but whereas for put option, it is going to be the extent of how much it is going to go down. So if the stock falls to 0, then that is to the extent of how much the loss is also going to increase. Let's head to the trading platform so that I can show you all of these things live. So here we are on the strategy bot on Kotak Neo, and we can see that I have taken a buy position of 25,200 Nifty 50 put option, and the payoff diagram is automatically visible here. So above 0 is the profits, below 0 is the losses, and on the x-axis we have the price of Nifty 50. The maximum profit here you can see is 18.88 lakhs. It is not unlimited because the stock can only fall until 0. The maximum loss is 2,351, which is here. And finally, the break-even point is 25,169, which is nothing but our 25,200 minus the premium which we are going to receive. That is also marked here. So now if we want to look at the payoff diagram for option selling, it's very simple. All I have to do is click on this button and it will automatically shift to the selling position, and I can see the payoff diagram inverting and showing us that there is 2,351 rupees in maximum profit, which is to the extent of the premium that we have received while entering the contract. The maximum loss is equal to the maximum profit the buyer had, so that is 18.88 lakhs. And again the break even is same as for the buyer, that is again 25,169. So that is exactly what you can see here as well. So this is the total loss, this is the profit, and this point here is the break even. Here, the one thing that you have to remember is that all the payoff diagrams are considered to be at expiry. But if the expiry is much further away, then there will be a slight change in how the option payoff diagram is going to look like because of time value. So let's do a quick recap of what we have learned so far. Coming back to the whiteboard, here you can see that the y-axis has the profits as well as losses, and the x-axis has the price of the underlying asset. This is the maximum profit for put option selling, whereas this is the maximum loss for the put option seller. Whereas for a put option buyer, this is the maximum loss and this is the maximum profit. So even though the call option buyer has an unlimited profit potential, for a put option buyer, the profit is not unlimited but rather limited to the extent to which the stock can fall. And the stock can fall only to 0, and that's why it is limited. Now talking about selling, the put option seller has again not unlimited loss potential but to the extent of which the stock can fall to. Whereas in a call option selling, it is unlimited loss potential. If you like this breakdown, go ahead and like the video and share it with your friends. And stay tuned because in the upcoming video, we're going to combine all the 4 aspects: call buying, call selling, put buying, put selling, all together in a single tabular column so that your understanding becomes crystal clear. You're watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. I am Pranav VK and I'm going to see you in the next video.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.